Guys, before I start this video is sponsored by Chime. It's an American financial technology company based in San Francisco, California. It provides fee-free mobile banking services through two national banks called Stride Bank and the Bancorp Bank. And Chime offers early access to paychecks 2 days early. So go press the link in the description and let's get started with this video. Hey, what is up YouTube? It's your boy CJ here, back in once again with another banger video. And you're reacting to Parrot roasts cops and doctors. Funny reactions you'll ever see. Funniest reactions you'll ever see. Laughing emoji and fire emoji. But before we react to this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, or else you'll have bad luck for the rest of 2026. Subscribe to the channel and like this video, and you'll have good luck for 2026, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and also guys, comment down below, did you have a good Easter? Comment down below right now if you're having a good Easter.
Sir, do you have a flying license?
Flying license? You got a breathing permit?
That's not how this works.
Neither's your haircut, but here we are.
That one was pretty funny.
Calm down, Bird. We just need a photo.
Don't take my picture! I'm not a suspect! This is my home! You don't walk in here like you own the place!
Guys, subscribe to the channel and like this video if you think the Parrot is complete savage. Oh my god.
Get out before I start fighting badgers! Get out of my living room!
You understand why you're here?
I know my rights!
You want a lawyer?
Yeah. They convert attorney!
Excuse me?
That one was crazy.
This machine hates me.
Please subscribe to the channel, like
Error
this video.
detected. Try turning your brain off and on.
Excuse me?
User issue confirmed.
No way.
Hey buddy, just a quick jab, promise.
2 very boring minutes later.
And now we're going to react to another video called Parrot roasts cops and doctors. Funniest moments caught on camera. Laughing emoji and fire emoji. So yeah.
Alexa, order pizza.
I need permission from the primary account holder.
You can't even order pizza without permission?
That's correct.
That's why your boyfriend left you for Siri. Oh my god. Officer Miller, what's your age?
I'm only 28, baby.
Oh, you are expired.
Oh man, are you serious right now?
That one was funny.
Hey, buddy, quick booster shot. Just hold still.
Booster? Last time you said that, I woke up singing 2 octaves higher.
Come on, it's just vitamins.
And why's your hand shaking?
Guys, subscribe to the channel and like this video if you think the Parrot is complete savage right now. Comment down below.
Like you forced a diploma.
You've gone viral! Millions of views! How do you feel?
Famous, feathered, and still unpaid.
Any message for your fans?
Yeah, like, share, and send snacks.
Honey, you're so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Expired.
Oh my god.
Hey, officer, do you have Wi-Fi?
Why?
Because I need your connection. You can arrest me anytime. But please, not my heart.
That one was pretty funny. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. If you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed. But anyways, I love you guys so much. See you later, peace out, goodbye.